Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Figma design file sharing, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Figma design file. Locate the share button in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the share button to open the sharing settings. You will see options for who can access the file. Choose between specific people or anyone with the link. If sharing with specific people, enter their email addresses in the provided field. For public access, select anyone with the link. Next, adjust the permissions for the recipients. Choose whether they can view, comment, or edit the file. After setting permissions, click Send Invite if sharing with specific people. For link sharing, copy the link provided by Figma. Make sure to inform your team or collaborators about the link. If you encounter any issues with access, check if the recipients have Figma accounts. Non-account users will need to create one to view or edit the file. If you wish to change permissions later, return to the sharing settings. You can modify access for any recipient by clicking the drop-down next to their name. To stop sharing altogether, click Remove next to the recipient's email. Always ensure that your design file is saved before sharing. Regularly check your sharing settings as projects evolve. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your Figma design file sharing. This will enhance collaboration and maintain the integrity of your design work. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.